Real games versus computer games. Real games. Computer games. They are cheaper than computer games. They are costly and expensive as electronic devices require maintenance. In these games, players have visual, hearing, and body sensation. In these games, the player only needs visual and hearing sensation. In real games, there is need of more than one player. In computer games, it is not necessary to have a team or more than one player. Real games like cricket, football, etc. need proper area and court for playing. We only need electricity and computer for playing these games. In these games, players can communicate face to face. In these games, players do not communicate face to face. It requires a lot of physical energy and strength. In these games, we just need concentration. These games help us to meet people and socialize. These games are more social than real games.